podcast. I'm laughing.
What it is, yo? We got a special episode of BHD Reacts today. Okay, so we was about to film the second episode of 15 Minutes of Filth, man. You know, our variety show. You know, we just talk about fuck shit that happens or that we know about or the shit that's going down. Tell me why we like when we typed it in, these two guys who reacted to our first episode of 15 Minutes of Filth are on here, and you know what? So look. Okay. So this is why we're laughing, right? We haven't watched the video yet, okay? We legitimately skipped through maybe what, 15 seconds? Just to still shots. Yeah. Like, we skipped from the beginning to like 5 minutes, then to like 6 minutes, then to like 10, 12, 15 minutes. I swear to God, it looks like they never moved.
The dude on the left has had the same facial expression.
His facial expression has never changed. No, and like it's not even bad. Like if the facial expression was something like, I could see, but the whole time it's just been. We're not even fucking watching the goddamn video. We're just looking at their facial expressions, and it has me in tears. It does. So, with that being said, if you guys want to watch the original video, I'll leave a link in the description to my first episode of 15 Minutes of Film. Let's get into it, yo. Let's go. Should we listen to what we're saying? Because I don't think they say anything.
You know, I already know what we said. You don't need to show me.
We just go see if they move. Yo. Okay.
Damn it. All right, here we go.
Okay. We got it.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, yep.
I was about to say,
I was like, did the shit freeze?
Yeah.
Because if you pay attention to them, you just think the shit froze. Like, look at it.
Look at the dude on the left. He's incredible.
I think he is dead. I think he's dead. He blinked. I saw him blink a little. I swear.
I see his hair moving very slightly in the wind. That's about all I got.
God, jeez,
This is actually incredible. I am not laughing to make fun of him. I'm laughing because I'm impressed.
I do not. This is funny to me. I don't know why, but watching someone watch something but not move is entertaining to me. Don't blame. I'm simple. I've always been a very simple person. Or something.
It's like those street performers on the strip that dress in all gold and just stand there.
Don't do nothing. Maybe if we fast forward to the interest, to the stories and shit. Let's see. Oh,
shit! Look at that. Look how incredible. Go back. Click back. Click back.
Same shit, bruh. He's not even there. He is not even there. Like if you can pan into the mind of the dude with the like old school Justin Bieber haircut. Yeah. Like in his mind, it's like monkey, sandwich. Car oil change, nothing.
Finished folding my underwear and socks, or just my undershirts.
When I went to the restaurant yesterday, I knew I should have had the salad instead of the soup.
Did I leave my mom at the dry cleaners? I took her to get soup from Panera Bread, and I don't know if I picked her ass up or not.
Why am I horny?
I fucked the shit out of his headphones. I mean, I think I'm entertaining. I think I deserve more.
I'm not even mad, man. I'm not mad. This shit is entertaining to me, yo. I'm not even mad.
I would watch them watch us all, goddamn. Every time we do an episode, you should do a reaction. I would watch that shit.
Look at the dude on the right, man. He looks like he has the shit, but he can't get up because he doesn't want to break character. Like he looked like his body language, like he just swallowed it back up. Like,
I shouldn't have ate that burrito before we started this. Goddamn Chipotle.
Chipotle does ruin
It'll
people,
fuck
man.
with the gullets.
Fuck your whole life up, yo.
Yo, plot twist. The sound's not even on when they're watching it. They're
no, you know what? Plot twist. They're not even watching anything. They just put that screen there to make them not look look weird. Oh, nigga, he moved?
Is he coming in his pants?
It really does.
He just finished.
It really looks like that nigga.
Oh yeah, that's a good story.
And now he's back.
I just love Chavez's voice. It's just
You know what? We keep playing these games. These guys look like the type of dudes to kill us.
Don't come find me.
That's
hey, let's be real right now. From one videographer to another, my brother.
These motherfuckers look like they skin us alive, bro.
Hey, I'm a nice guy, all right?
This dude's composure is fucking on fleek.
It is. Click forward again. Click forward again. That is fantastic.
Same shit. Look at his face. Watch. We about to click forward.
Yeah.
Boop. Nothing.
That is good.
Look at
Y'all thought we was playing.
Y'all thought we was playing. Bruh, I'm rolling right now. Boop.
Wow.
That was a 5-minute jump.
You have way.
He literally moved like this. He literally moved this much in 5 seconds. Fuck, that was.
His head's just getting heavy.
Yo, this other dude.
He is wigging out.
Yo, this nigga is high as a kite, nigga. Yo, this
I took all the lines, baby.
No. Have you ever seen the Wolf of Wall Street?
Yeah.
It looks like it's on loose, nigga. This nigga's on loose.
Give me the loose.
Give me the loose.
Oh, Leonardo, you dastardly bastard.
I will not die sober. Oh my God! Look at this nigga. What is it?
Whatever we telling him right now is blowing his fucking mind.
He doesn't know how to perceive this shit, yo.
They're really just listening to string theory. That's really what's on their computer. They're learning space-time continuum and time travel.
Okay, let's fast forward some up. Oh shit, he's okay.
Oh, he smiled. Hey.
God damn. If we could just get this guy over here to break at least a grimace.
Oh, we're gonna break
a little bit of it, then you know what? I believe we won.
Yeah. More funny when they can't help but laugh on camera.
That's
and
real.
You better not cheat and pre-watch the video.
That's real shit.
You better be watching it when it first come out.
Oh shit, this nigga took off his...
See, we're really getting him. That's why he took his hat off.
We doing work right now.
It's getting hot. His homie though, his homie is not, he is not falling for any of our tricks. For real.
Look at that shit. He is like a steel bird.
What are you even talking about?
Man, shut up, man.
What are you comparing?
They all can't be funny. Not all the joke can be funny, nigga. You gotta let me, I'm a peacock. You gotta let me fly, nigga.
I'll let you fly.
You gotta let me flap my wings and fly.
Peacocks don't.
Don't you tell me that.
Peacocks.
Don't you fucking, don't tell me,
They
dude.
glide very well.
Peacocks
They're also
glide?
pretty aggressive.
That's real, nigga.
My uncle, pause that real quick. It's been played.
It's no different. There's no difference.
Fuck it.
If we don't pause it, there's no difference.
It's just us talking. Fuck it. Keep
The only thing, nigga, is he smiling?
Did we get it?
Bro, I think he missed his fucking smile. Look at this shit.
Okay,
look.
okay.
Not smile.
Okay.
Hold up. Up.
You
No,
bitch. You
oh, no,
bitch.
I thought I saw something.
No.
See, look.
That's it.
I think he just had to swallow.
Fuck.
Shit. We were.
I really thought
I thought we had it.
That was real excitement.
I was actually somewhat excited as well. I'm intensely looking at his mouth muscles. No homo. He's got a nice mouth.
You know they do this in movies, but I'm really just blind. I really just can see nothing. This helps me see. It doesn't help. It doesn't.
Put your glasses back on. You're scaring the children. Now you look like you're on the lewds.
Hello, Johnny.
Really, nigga? Get off my lawn!
Get off my lawn!
You white niggers! No,
You white nigga. Racist grandpa. I don't. That character's great. We're gonna keep it.
Dude, we should honestly do that.
Yeah.
Like get a white person to call a white person. You white niggas, get off my lawn.
So I was playing chess.
Tell me, dude. Tell me. I want to hear it. Tell me.
I told this playing chess with this old white dude when my great grandfather, rest in peace, before he passed away. This dude is legitimately 97 years old.
For the love of God.
And he kicked my ass in chess. Let's get that out the way.
I thought he kicked your ass physically.
No.
Say, God damn.
He told me, and this is no exaggerate, you play chess well for a Negro. And there was a long pause.
And your grandpa is what?
My great-grandfather...
Who you was playing with?
No. That I played with his friend, who was an old white man.
Oh my God.
At the time, he was 95. Let me get this straight.
What do? You can't hit him. You can't hit him. What do?
You gotta let that go. But I was pretty good for a Negro.
You were pretty... Oh, Lord.
All you can do is leave.
Bruh, I'd have been talking shit as I flattened his tires on his wheelchair, nigga. Motherfucker. Negro this shit, motherfucker.
He was 95 at the time.
I'd have snapped. He had a cane, huh?
He could barely move. Yeah, no, he could.
I was about to say, I'll snap his cane in half.
No,
fuck that. I'm not
bullying old people.
I'm not gonna tell.
What do you do? What do you do?
What could you do?
Nothing.
I would have to call everyone I knew and tell them this situation. Okay, so I just got called a Negro by a white guy. You know, like, oh yeah, what? He's 95. Oh, shit.
Every black person I know has the same, and white person actually has the same reaction. Well, you know, when he was born, he was, you should just forget about it. I don't know what you
cut that nigga's colostomy bag cord. Yep.
You're gonna be shitting on the floor.
Shit everywhere, homie. It's not going where it's supposed to go, I'll tell you that.
Somebody just learned what a colostomy bag was from this video.
That's your girlfriend.
What the fuck is she calling you?
Don't ask me questions.
Hello? Yeah, it's Maurice.
You She thought it was you! What the fuck?
Jackie? And I'm out.
What the fuck?
I'm out.
Jackie! Come on, son! Fucking...
Hello?
His girlfriend called my phone and thought it was me. Like, him, really? Hello? Like, is that how she pictures me? Bruh, you know what? We're at the end of the video.
Yeah.
I am interested, very interested, to see an outro.
Okay.
I want to see their outro.
Okay, go for it.
All right, let's go for it. Let's see if they say anything for our outro.
What are you doing? Come on.
What are those? I don't know what to do, man.
I don't even know how I feel about what I just
that shit was legitimately funny to me, man. I laughed from a healthy place when I watched that just now. I don't know what these dudes are doing, but it obviously didn't work, man. That shit was entertaining as fuck to me. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video, at least an iota of an amount that I enjoyed it, because I fucked with that.
Yeah, that was good. That was definitely fun.
Yo, shit, it is by Reaction Tea Time. I like that name.
I do too.
I actually like that name,
Yeah.
Reaction Tea Time.
They did well.
Nigga, I fucks with that. That sounds elegant.
It does.
I think of a nigga like reacting to videos with like a monocle, a Kool-Aid glass. Exactly, using like classy words. What's a classy word?
Shut up. Hello.
Nigga.
That's what we're doing, right?
Nigga, what pip pip cheerio, nigga? I didn't say.
What the fuck is that?
Pip pip cheerio, that's what all the rich white people say in the videos. You've never heard of that.
To all my rich Caucasians out there, how many of you have ever said pip pip cheerio?
You know what? I'm dislabeling the comments. Because I want to be right in this shit.
No, what are some more high class words? I'm intrigued now.
Bibbity bobbity. Bibbity.
We are not on the same page of this at all.
I'm talking about classy, like you walking down the street and you got like a cane in one hand and a top hat and a monocle. And
you have on a bowler hat.
That's real talk, yep. But yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's your boy Blast from HD with the homie Chavez. You know, this shit should not have been funny, but it was. It was too funny.
Good job.
God damn it, man. It's like the way they looked. You just knew that they were roommates in a one-bedroom apartment. Like they're roommates in a studio apartment, bro. Like it's. Oh shit. Twisms, yo.